we had to spend money we didn't have. So here Mama was getting ready to can, and her doggone stove went completely out. So we had to get a new one. We got an LG model. The interior is really nice, the way they made that. You can just see in there, so easy. So clean, clear. I love the color, and it's got this good insulation around it. LG done a good job, but still, it's money we didn't have. So got to figure out something on that. But anyway, I almost got it. I wanted to show you guys this, but it's already been done. With this one, I put apples, lime, and ginger in. I put 2 of the concentrated apples, 15 limes, and 4 pounds of ginger, and I added 7 cups of sugar. Now this will sit for about 70 days. And these down here bottled today, that's what it is. And they are just super, super refreshing. So good. Man, they're good. So anyway, sorry it's been a little while, but I'll get back on it now that we got the stove in and I get my back operated on, and I'll talk to you soon. Love you.